Hi everybody, so today I want to unbox with you, I haven't even peeked, Moda Mono by Ellen Wille Stimulate Collection in the color Light Bernstein Rooted, one of my favorite colors by Ellen Wille. If you're watching from outside of Europe where the Stimulate Collection isn't available, don't panic. Advance Trendco does ship worldwide, and with my code K20 you will get 20% off. So let's have a look at Moda Mono. As I said, I haven't even peeked. Let's check it out. Lovely, nicely packaged, always very securely packaged. Let me pop the box to the side. You have your net, and then it is inside out already, so we can look at the cap construction. We have a mono top and a lace front that's not extended. If you're new to wigs, a mono top basically means you can part it wherever you like in the section, and it will look like hair growing out of your skin because these fibers are individually put into the cap, so they're not as thickly threaded as the rest of the cap, so it will just give you a really natural part. So let's look at this. It's a great classic medium length bob style, I would say. I love this color, light Bernstein Rooted. If you're wondering what I am wearing, this is a Serena by Ellen Wille in the color Bahama Beige Shaded. So also available from Advance Trendco. So go and check out their website, and with my code K20 you will get 20% off. But today is about Moda Mono. So let's have a look at this one. Let me show you the part here, because I have dark hair underneath at the moment, so it doesn't show up as clearly as if I just have my hand. So really well made mono top there. Right, let's take Serena off and pop this one on. A little bit of shaking just to release the fibers from the cap. Let's pop it on. Oh, this is cute. As much as I love long wigs, I'm really getting into these kind of medium styles now. I think it's because they are so good for every day, and it's just easy to wear. And this is just adorable. Exactly what I thought it would look like. A classic medium length bob style with a little bit of a fringe here. It's a long fringe. You probably would have to trim it quite a bit. I've never done it. It's not something I normally do because I like to wear it side swept anyway. And then you can part it, as I said, because you have that mono top wherever you like. So on me it would look like this. So here you can see my wig grip, and here you can see my hair growth and a little bit of my own skin. If you have no hair, this will look incredibly natural. If you have hair like me and you are bothered about this kind of very obvious changing of coloring here, just wear a wig cap, flesh colored wig cap, and that will then make it all look like one color. Yeah, I think I quite like it parted here, but I don't want to play with it too much because I want to show you what it looks like straight out of the box, which is pretty much this. This would probably just need a little bit more of work because it has a bit of a kink to it. So I think I would just wet it, put some heat on it to really set that part, and then put a clip in it, let it cool. Always let it cool, and then it should be absolutely fine. Sometimes you have to repeat the process. That's normal. And sometimes you can just part it and it's it's perfect. So it is what it is. So let me show you all around. These are heat-friendly fibres. So I think hopefully you can see there is no unnatural shine here. One reason I like heat-friendly fibres is that you don't have this kind of synthetic shine that you would have with non-heat-friendly wigs. But that's not a problem either. You can just use some dry shampoo, or you just wash it a few times and it will go eventually. But it's a great piece. It's just, and look at this hairline. It's so natural. Transition into the cap. A little bit visible, but because it's not an extended lace front, this is again kind of to be expected. All you then really have to do is just make sure you don't pull it back exactly at that transition. And if you do, just take a little bit of fiber out and cover it up like so. This is a gorgeous piece. I really like this one. As I said, this just needs a little bit of work. Let me just pull it over. To this side, because this is kind of how it was in the box, and I think it just likes being that way. So it is a low density piece. You can tuck it easily. Permatease. A little bit just around the wefts, just to cover them, but nothing big and nothing pillowy here. This is a great style for every day, I think. So tell me what you think of Moda Mono by Ellen Wille, available from Adrian's Trend Go. Use my code K20 for 20% off. Link is down below in the description box. Have a wonderful day, and I hope I see you very soon.